Hello, my name is Carly Nelson, and this is going to be a WordPress tutorial on how to create a separate page for your blog. The goal is that by the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create a separate page for your blog post. First, you're going to need to log into your WordPress. You can do that by typing in the URL shown above. Once you've logged in, you may see two different views. You could see one looking like this, or you could see one looking like this. In order to do what we'll be learning today, you're going to need a dashboard that looks like this. So if you're shown a dashboard that looks like this, there's going to be several different options in this dashboard. And so you're going to have one near the middle, and it might say testimonials, it might say projects, or it might say portfolio, but there's going to be a little arrow on the right hand side. So go ahead and click on this tab. Okay, so now we're right to the proper dashboard. So I just want to quickly show you my WordPress to show the issue that I'm having. So right now I'm on my home page and it's showing my blog feed, which is not what I want. I want a separate page for my home and a separate page for my blog. So let's go ahead and do that. First, we're going to need to create a new page for our blog. So let's go down to Pages with the sixth one down from the top and just hold your cursor over it and you'll have the option to go to Add New. So at the top you can title your blog page whatever you want, but I'm just going to put blog. And then go ahead on the right hand side, there's going to be a dialog box that says Publish. So go ahead and there's a blue button that says Publish, so go ahead and do that. Now that we've published our blog, let's go over and change the settings for our different pages. So Settings is the second one from the bottom. Just hover over it and you're going to have more options show up on the right. So now click on Reading, the third one from the top. There are several options and edits you can make to how you're reading your blog posts and your website, but we're just going to mess with the home page and the blog page. So make sure that on the front page displays, which is the section at the very top of the reading settings, that you click on a static page. In your front page, you click on your home or whatever page you want to first appear when someone enters your website. And then click on your post page. So mine's called a blog, but yours might be named something else. Alright, so now you have to scroll down to the bottom and make sure that you save your changes. Now we have a different home page and a different page that our posts will be going to. But let's go over to our website and see what kind of changes that we made. So as you can see, there is no blogs on my home page anymore, but there also is no way to get to my blog. So we'll have to make changes to this navigation menu. So let's go back to our reading settings, and now we're going to have to look at our dashboard again. So let's scroll down for more options. And we're going to go up to Appearance, which is going to be the fifth one from the bottom. Just hover over it and you're going to have the option to go to Menus, which is the fourth one from the top. So as you can see in our menu, which is that navigation menu that was at the top of the screen, we have a Home and a Test tab. So there's another dialog box on the left that says Pages. And so it's going to show your most recent pages that you've created, or you can show all the pages that you've created. So go ahead and click on Blog, or whatever you named your blog page, and click Add to Menu. So now you can see we added a blog page to our navigation bar. So let's go ahead and click on Save Menu. And go back to our website. We're going to have to refresh maybe to show our changes, and as you can see, we made that changes and there's a separate page for our blog. I know this tutorial was a little long, but thank you so much for watching. Today you learned how to create a separate page for your blog in WordPress. Please feel free to contact me at cnelson10@woo.edu or comment below.